All right, and so with that, we can move over into our cache hit, the Unity Dots quick tip of the week, which is something that I learned about as early as this morning.
Is it related to the Dots Bootcamp?
It is related to the Dots Bootcamp. So yeah,
Ooh!
this is something that I learned on the Dots Bootcamp today. Let me just go ahead and hide this. I was supposed to just have the profiler just like this. So this is in my little Netcode for Entities MOBA project that you all will be seeing next week. So I just have the profiler open here. And so one kind of issue with the profiler, specifically when it comes to like scheduling jobs and everything like that, is, we have our systems that are running up here, and we can see, all the systems that are running in our game. And of course we can, click on these, get a little bit more information about them. And then down below, if we kind of scroll down a little bit here, we have the jobs. And so these are, all the jobs on the different worker threads. So when I schedule a job in a system, well, that system may only take, a 1/16 of a millisecond or something like that. However, that system could schedule jobs that may end up taking a long time. And so it's not always obvious, what systems are scheduling what jobs. However, the profiler has a very handy way that we can do this. So basically, if you're in the profiler and you have to be on the timeline view, which of course is this, visual graph view, which is super nice, you can go up to the three dots menu, and there's actually three different three dots menus on the profiler. So there's, the main profiler one. You can do colorblind mode, which I didn't know. There's one in kind of this upper graph section. And then finally, there's one above the timeline. And this is the one that you want to go to. And then so you just click this show flow events. And you'll see that we get all these nice little arrows that pop up on, all of our systems and all of our jobs here. And so what we can actually do is we can say, click on one of these arrows, and then we actually get this nice little graph view that shows exactly the jobs that are being scheduled by that particular system. So it goes down and we have all these little arrows here, and we can click off, and we can kind of do it the opposite way. So we can say, oh, hey, who is scheduling this, ghost receive system? So we can click on this and we can scroll up here. Oop. And then we can see that this is, being scheduled by, what is this job right here? This is the Ghost Update System Scheduling. So yeah, it's super nice. You can just, again, click on each of these little arrows here. I guess you click the job itself, and then it just gives you just, points right down. If this is just scheduling one job, it'll point right to it. If it's scheduling a bunch, it'll point right to those. So that is an extremely handy feature, which I'm definitely going to be having this on by default from now on.